And now, top 5 favorite activities. Number 5. Traveling. At least lounging in a suitcase. Number 4. Meow Mountaineer. Conquering this Everest, chair. For a spot in warm company. Number 3. Chilling. Swinging in a hammock. Forgetting everything in the world. Number 2. Pur fashionista. Trying on shoes for very important meetings. Number 1. Energy saving mode. Do not disturb cuteness process in progress.